Randy, I'm trying to film here. Now, it took this brand about 4 months to get to $25,000 a month. The profit margin, about $9,000. Now, I have 4 things I want to share with you. And the first one is, where are these sales coming from specifically? Number 2, the truth about TikTok Shop. Number 3, my startup budget. And then number 4, the profit margin, breaking all of this down. And what this is going to do for you, it's going to expose exactly how to do $25,000 per month. I am pulling back the curtain and I'm going to let you look over my shoulder into the back end of the business so that you can see everything. And if you want to learn more about this and get dozens of training videos, we just launched our school group. It's brand new. It's super cheap. You can check it out down below. That's a great place to get started with TikTok Shop. But number 1, where are these sales coming from? Okay. Obviously, this is all TikTok Shop, but where? Where on the platform? There's a lot of different things you can do. Here's the sales breakdown for this, okay? Our videos are doing about 40% of the sales. So when you see us do $10,000, about $4,000 of that is from videos that we are making, not just myself. We now hire creators. Pretty easy to do. 22% of our sales are affiliate videos. And just full transparency, if we go here on the homepage, last week was $5,000 in sales. I can edit this to show you affiliate GMV. So what percentage of this? It was right about 20% this last week was from affiliates. These are people that are getting paid a commission. So they make a small percentage of what they generate. No risk or money up front for us. And number 3 is the best one. It's why TikTok Shop is great. That's organic. About 38% of our sales currently are coming organically. As your listing gets more sales, we have thousands of sales, hundreds of reviews, you are going to start ranking for your product, your category. People are going to stumble across it naturally. And when you have a good rating and review and you take care of your shop performance score as a business, TikTok promotes you. They send you free customers. And this is where things get stupidly profitable. And I do want to mention, out of these categories, we are now starting to run ads, okay? There's low budget ad spend behind both our videos and some affiliate videos. So we're boosting those with paid ads, and that's an additional cost. It's averaging a 4.3x return for every dollar that we spend. You want to see it? In fact, if we go over here to marketing and go under shop ads, which is a beta feature, not everybody has access to it quite yet, you'll be able to see some of this insight. Over the last week, we've spent $1,200 in sales. It's like $150 to $200 a day. Average cost per purchase. Here's how much we brought back. And this is the ROI. Now, it likes to claim credit for everything when it's really not doing that. So this number is not entirely accurate, but it's a small cost to continue building our listing. These ads are profitable. It's boosting the videos. Everybody wins. So those are running in the background. Eventually they'll become a bigger piece of the business, and these perform better the more videos you have. So you get more affiliates on board, you make more content, everything gets boosted. So all of these flows matter, right? These all contribute significantly to the sales. Now, I got to ask real quick, where are my Shopify store owners? Okay, I'm going to ask you guys, where are your sales coming from? Because you know me, my background, doing tens of millions of dollars on Shopify, running Facebook ads and TikTok ads. People don't realize how important it is to not just make money from your ads, right? We do email marketing, influencers, text message marketing. We want to make sure that our customers are coming back, that we're not losing money. And there's a huge, huge amount of money you can lose. Let me show you something real quick. Over $500,000 through SMS. Okay. This is text message marketing, meaning as our customers buy, as people abandon their carts and they don't complete their order, we set up automation flows so that we can text them. This is not, oh, yo, I made an extra $800, $585,000. Okay. Very small cost associated with this, but I highly recommend that my Shopify store owners here go sign up for Text Card. Okay. Because if you're not taking advantage of both email and text message marketing, you're missing out on not 2% of your business, about 25%. A massive, massive chunk of my business and most of the profit has always been through text and email. So make sure you're taking advantage of that. They're giving us a 14-day free trial for Text Card. They got a ton of crazy features, but there's a couple main things you'll want to set up. A post-purchase sequence for your customers that buy, build a relationship, get them to come back, but also for those who abandon their cart. This is where we literally print money, okay? So you want to use this platform for that. The guys over at TextCard are super, super cool. They give us access to this great platform. You're definitely going to want to check it out if you have a Shopify store. Now, number 2, the truth about TikTok Shop. Most people really don't want to talk about this, but I'll tell you this. It is front loaded, meaning if I want to start something new on here, it's a grind. It's a grind, bro. But only for a period of time. Now, people talk about Amazon, like once you get the listing, built with reviews and ratings, like you're good. That's the same thing here, except it's so much easier than Amazon. In fact, I have a coaching program. We have a lot of Amazon guys, like big hitters doing $500,000 to $1 million a month wholesaling on there. They're coming here because their margin is getting squashed on Amazon. So I'll give you some pro tips for making this front end loaded part easier, because I'll tell you now, if I'm just being honest, let me open this up. All of this stuff that you see here with this brand, the front end loaded part is done. If I did nothing, if I died, this thing would still print money because I already did that work, okay? And now to go to the next level might require some more work, and that's what we're doing right now. But this is not hard to get to. Let me give you some pro tips to speed this process up, because it does take time. As you can see, it's a bit of a grind. It's a very slow rise. The first thing I did, I priced myself pretty aggressively in the beginning. Okay, I was running flash sales. I'll show you how to set this up in a second. But that's basically a discount that's always live. So many listings have this. There's a countdown timer that increases conversions a significant amount. We're pushing people to buy. I got everybody that I know, any friend, family, whatever, anybody, to buy the product and leave a review. Now I'm going to give you a pro tip on top of this pro tip. Make a list of who does it. Okay, if I have 10 friends buy my product and I Venmo all them back so they're not out of pocket, I'm going to write down every single person. And I want to follow up with them in like 10 days, because I'll tell you, almost nobody remembers to leave a review. Like I had 10 friends buy, only 2 people left a review. I'm like, yo, are you guys friends or not? So you have to remind them. Another thing, post daily on your page. This is massive, okay? Even if your videos only get 300 views, right? That's what ours were doing. All of this right here, every single day we're making a video, it's getting 200 views, never more than 300 for months. Eventually it started popping out, had some videos that get going, but this starts getting you favorited by TikTok. They start sending you more organic traffic. And because we were posting every day, all through here, about half the sales every day were organic. And anyways, this just really helps. Now, finally, your listing matters a lot. Everything but the description, really. So get good photos, invest in that, get some graphic design, study other listings in a similar niche as yours. Like if you're in the fitness space, study other top listings there, see what they're doing, see how many photos they have, what style of photos, how are they naming the product, how are they pricing their product, look at all this stuff. And just to share it with you, here's how you look at the other listings. You can go in KaloData. It's really the only good research tool that we use, and I guess I'm not logged in because I'm in an incognito tab here, but this gives you all the sales data, right? So if we're going to go in here and look at this, okay, they did, whatever, how many millions in the last 30 days, you can go see that and break all this down once you have an account there. Again, I don't know why mine's not logged in, but that'll break down exactly what they're doing. I mean, you can see everything, see the sales data, look at their photos, all of it. So yeah, number 3, the startup budget. Okay, this actually is relevant to getting to that 25K a month mark. Here's why. Cash flow management. Now, I started this brand that I just showed you with about 10 grand. That's what it costed. Now, the reason it was that much was because I had an MOQ, a minimum order quantity, that was required for the production of this product. This was not a standard hard good that I just bought from some random supplier. We actually manufactured this product. It's in the health space. So it costed a little bit more money and definitely took more time to get off the ground. Okay. So that's the cool part of it. Depending on who you're working with, like the MOQ is going to be larger or smaller, but you want money because if you have money or a credit line or whatever, if I'm getting sales, I'm not getting paid out for that pretty quick. If I have to keep buying new inventory, like I have a lot of money out right now on the street, scaling this brand and another. So, take some cash for sure. Now, number 4, profit margin. This is really important. And here's how I thought about this one. I don't care if I'm only making $1 on all these sales that are $20, $25, $30. I don't care if I'm making $1 on the orders from my overpaid affiliates while I have a super cheap selling price. Okay. And here's what I'm saying. In the beginning, to get affiliates on board who are willing to promote my new listing with no reviews, it's hard. That is the single difficult thing, nothing else. So to do it, I was offering small retainers. I'll give you $100 a month to post every day, and I'll give you a 45% commission rate instead of 20, right? Just crazy terms. And I got some people to say yes, still very hard, but I had 2 people that were posting every single day. And they were each driving 5 to 6 sales a day. It really helped the listing. And I was not really making any money because we were priced really low too. So I was picking up $1 or so on these orders, which was like nothing. But because we were doing this, it built the listing and it started driving organic sales. Like I said, half of our sales were organic. People just finding the listing. TikTok recommends it to them. No cost of advertising, no commission, which means even at a low selling price, I had about a 70% margin on those orders. So if half of them have next to no margin, about 10%, the other half had 70%, we're in the 40s. So the whole way while building this brand, I'm in the 40, 45% profit margin range. It was a month at 50. That's crazy. That's just, you don't get that on Amazon. You can't easily get that on Shopify running ads unless you build a crazy backend with upsells and all that's great. This is why TikTok Shop is literally the golden era opportunity, okay? Everyone wants top dollar for their product. They want to price it the most they can from day one. You can just adjust your pricing and profit so much once your listing is going. Like now we're raising it and there's no change in the sales. It's very easy. And again, the margin there is why we have so many Amazon sellers and Shopify guys joining our coaching. I'll even show you an example here. This is TikTok Shop. Somebody whose shop is like 2 months old, hitting 2 $10,000 days back to back to back. Paul, close to his first $1,000 day. Joel over here did a quick video for us. 68,000 in a few months on TikTok Shop. Right? In the health space, starting to get results, building a single listing that will then continue to pay you forever. That's the beautiful thing. It's not Shopify where your ad account can get taken down and stuff just fluctuates so much, which was the annoying up and down of my career. Now I did all the work and I'm hands off, right? I do a little bit, but it's awesome. So I just have to tinker with it. So yeah, if you guys want to join the best coaching program on TikTok Shop from somebody who is actually doing it, you can apply below, answer a couple questions. There will be a link there and it'll bring you to book a call where we can chat with you, help point you in the right direction, make a quick strategy. And again, we have our school group. This is a great spot to get your feet wet. If you're looking to learn TikTok Shop, I'll show you what that looks like inside of here. We got a whole dashboard here with the community where people can ask questions, talk to us, so many posts inside of there. We also have a classroom side of it. So if you want to go in here and see some videos on exactly what TikTok Shop is, how to find and source products, launching, creating your listing, nailing the launch so you start making sales, order fulfillment, affiliates, organic content, ads, managing reviews so you make sure your listing gets built the right way, scaling, all of this for $50 a month. We just launched this group. There's over 100 people in here that are chatting. There's people in here doing $2 million a year on TikTok Shop. So you're gonna want to check this out. It's a great spot. And if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed all the value in there, make sure to drop a like, check out all the resources linked in the description, including text card, and I hope you enjoy the video.